Hi guys, bonjour, welcome to a new location. Welcome to the second episode of the first season of the France travel vlog series. Today we are here in the city of Mulhouse. Mulhouse is a vibrant city that is located in the Alsace region of France. It is known for its industrial heritage, particularly in the textile industry. Mulhouse is also the museum capital of France. You will find a museum about every subject you can think of. Most museums focus on the city's industrial past, showcasing automobiles, trains, textile and wallpapers. The city also offers a wide range of cultural events such as festivals, concerts and exhibitions. With its charming neighborhoods, delicious cuisine and warm hospitality, Mulhouse is a wonderful destination for travelers to explore. I'm only here to visit the Christmas market and to stroll around the center. The Christmas market of Mulhouse is a magical and festive event that brings joy and warmth to the city during the holiday season. With its charming atmosphere and beautiful decorations, the Christmas market attracts both locals and visitors. The Mulhouse Christmas market is known for its traditional Alsatian crafts, delicious food and unique gifts. So this is a local dish from the Alsace region. It's called sauerkraut. It's mostly served with sausage. This is my favorite food to order at the Christmas market. It's a pancake with Nutella. So you saw it, I just strolled around a beautiful Christmas market. Now I'm going to explore the rest of the center of Mulhouse, visit the shopping streets before I leave Mulhouse for Colmar. So that's it for me here in Mulhouse. It was a really short visit, but it was worth it. I hope you like this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and reaction in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel LAWCATION, and I will see you again in another LAWCATION. Au revoir.
If you send me the location, then I'll be right there.